Hi again. So you saw me earlier creating the recipes on our Shaune app on our desktop. And from there, I generated a QR code. When I generated the QR code, you can have, like I said before, you can either print it out on a paper format and keep it in a poly pocket, take a photo of it. Alternatively, store it in your phone. And this I'm going to put now into the Scanheat microwave behind me. And from there, we can start cooking. However, we are going to use the barcode on the product, not the QR code, because this will already be in the system logged with your recipes attached to that unique barcode, which is on the packet. And saying that, on the QR code, you can store up to 20 recipes. However, you can do well in excess of 900 recipes if you use a USB stick. But then again, the QR code is brilliant because you can create a QR code for every service that you have. So if you have a lunch service, breakfast, dinner, snack service, or whether it's from a filling station and so forth, you can create a unique QR code for that particular application. So I've done my QR code, as you can see. I'm going to scan it in now. I'm going to open the door. Microwave tells me to scan. It says success. That means all the recipes I've now created under this QR code is in the system. And from there, we are going to start cooking. So I've got my product. Okay, I'm going to use the barcode at the back. First, going to take my product out. Put that inside the microwave. And then I'm going to scan the barcode. 2 minutes 45, the recipe's done. Close the door and we can start cooking straight away. And that's really how easy it is. Main purpose of that is there's no other touching involved of the actual device apart from the handle when you're opening and closing. So for hygiene and also for the COVID regulations at the moment, it's best to sanitize the handle rather than the whole device and inside. Okay, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching this video and let's keep it cooking. Literally in the Scanheat, it's cooking straight away. See you soon.